Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the screen flickering or the flickering issues in our laptop, whether it's a Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. So for that, let us get started, and the very first thing we need to do is to go to our device manager. So we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to device manager options. Once you do that, you will be opening the device manager window. So let me just expand this one. Here we need to go first to the monitor options. If you see it, please click on that, click on the arrow before it, and then you will see the monitors that you are using. So all you need to do is just to make a right click on that, click on update driver, and here we will be asked how do we want to search for drivers. All we need to do is just to click the first option that says search automatically for drivers, and once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we're good to go. Let us close this one and we will proceed with the next option. So again, update driver, click on the browse my computer for drivers, and instead of searching for drivers in this location, we will be clicking this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Once you do that, you will see here the driver, all the updates and the driver versions that you have in your device. All you need to do is just to click on that and then click on next and then try to install the first one, and if it works, then you're good to go. But if it doesn't work, then you will all you need to do is just to go again to this window and then click on the second one. If you have two drivers or three or more drivers, click on the second one and then click on next again, and then try to restart your device, see if it's working. If it's still not working, try and try and go to the third one and then do the same process. Okay, so the next thing you should do, let me just close this one. The next thing you should do is to go to your display adapter. So here at the top, you need to click on the arrow again. You will be seeing here the graphics card that you are using in your device. So we need to update it again. So please select it, make a right click, click on update driver, and then again we will be asked with the same questions. Here we need to do again the first option, search automatically for drivers. Once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, we need to go back, choose the second one, browse my computer for drivers, click on this let me pick from a list, and then here you will be seeing again all the driver versions that you have in your device for your graphics card. And for you to find out whichever from these options here is working, all you need to do is just to try it one by one, and then after each try, just make sure that you do a restart with your device. See if whichever from the options here listed is working. Okay, and the next thing you should do is to close this one first. Go to your settings, make a right click here in the Windows icon, go to settings, and then you will be seeing at the very bottom part here in the left pane the Windows update option. So please click on that. And please make sure that your device is up to date, and if it's not, then just please click this check for updates button here, download all the pending downloads and install. Then after the downloading and installing process, make a quick restart with your device and see if your laptop is working very well by now. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you again in the next one. Bye bye.